What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account to Whop. So once you sign into your Whop account, just simply click your profile on the lower left hand side, go to connected account in the middle there, and you will find Instagram. So you want to go ahead and click on that. Now once you go ahead and enter your Instagram profile URL and click add, that's going to quickly generate a verification code for you that you need to put there on your profile. And once you go ahead and do that, it will verify it for you. It's a simple process. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code, and you will most likely need to put that in your bio. And from there, you just need to click on verification or verify, and that's going to verify it for you. And you'll have it linked just like how I have it linked for my YouTube. And the YouTube is similar. You just basically copy the YouTube channel URL. You will get a verification code, 6 letter. You just put that into your YouTube channel description, save it, and then you are done. You just need to go back and verify it, and it will be verified and added. And this process is pretty similar for Instagram as well. So that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.